Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share about Pilinto class at home, and as you can see here there are many other videos where you can see what the material they will share with the parents, but in this video I'm going to explain the concept behind the Pilinto class. Okay, so as you can see here I have ordered this box, and in this box I have got the material for 3 months. Okay, in the first month the concept is animal safari, and for the second month the concept is my body, and for the third month the concept will be nature detective. Along with this box and all these activities, you will also find here the dashboard. Pilinto class has provided me with the login ID and password, and here I could access the parents dashboard. There will be a classroom and some recorded sessions and bonus story time, rhymes, skill assessment, development report, certificate, and many more things. So here in the recorded sessions you can see there are various themes. I have applied for 1.5 to 2.5 year old Kia, and she is now 18 months old, so I have ordered the curriculum for all 9 months. Pilinto class is basically online schooling, like the play school at home. So like your kid goes to school, there he or she could learn the various things like about animals, about his or her body, about the nature, transports, okay, and many other little things like going to the market, exploring the gardens, sea creatures, about farm life. So they have covered almost all the activities here. Okay, so let's explore one by one. Like first theme is animal safari. Here you will find your all the classes, and this is the planner they have provided. In this planner you can see the schedule of all the activities from day 1 to day 12, and there are some bonus sessions as well, like these day 1 to day 8, and they have telling us to focus on these activities, numeracy up to 4, shapes, rectangle, circle, triangle, colors, brown, blue, yellow, and letters B, F, and Z. So you can explore the same with your kid, and they will provide you the step-by-step guidance on how to perform the activities with your kid. Like I have unlocked the first class today, and I have seen the content is something like this. In all the
breakfast song time. What did you have for breakfast?
So they will tell you here how to perform the activity with your kid. Okay, so they will provide you the step-by-step instructions on how to perform the activity, but let's not stick to the same, and connect it to the other materials which you could probably already have. Like I do have here the auditory magic book related to domestic mammals. Here I could teach her with all the sounds of the animals, and I do have the first book of sound which I have got from the Einstein box. Here you could teach your kid about the sounds of various animals as well, my first 100 words. Like you can perform all these activities of 1 month which Pilinto class has provided to you, and you can also stick to the concept, and the concept is animal safari. Okay, so फर्स्ट मंथ इज ओनली अबाउट द एनिमल्स. सो आपको एनिमल्स की बेसिक नॉलेज देने के लिए इस मटेरियल के साथ साथ अदर मटेरियल्स भी आप अपनी तरफ से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक आप इस तरह से एनिमल्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं उनको आप डेली वॉल पे इस तरह से पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जिससे बच्चा उस चीज़ों को रोज़ रोज़ देखे और ज़्यादा उससे सीख सके. उसकी वोकेबलरी से स्ट्रांग होगी, उसे एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमंस में डिफरेंस पता चलेगा, डिफरेंट एनिमल्स की साउंड्स पता चलेगी. इसके अलावा जैसे आप यहाँ पे एक चार्ट यूज़ कर सकते हैं इन विच यू कैन टेल योर किड टू फाइंड द एनिमल्स, एंड and you can also hear the various charts like this, through which he or she could acquire the knowledge. Now move on to the second month. For second month, I can see here Flinto class has labeled it as my body. So in this theme, here I got the material as well for all of the 12 days, and as well as the bonus sessions. These materials for the second month has been focusing on numeracy up to 3, shapes, circle and triangle, colors and letters, blue, red, yellow and letters T. अभी हम माई बॉडी के साथ आप अदर मटेरियल्स अपनी तरफ से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक मेरे पास ये बुक है आइंस्टीन बॉक्स की. आइंस्टीन बॉक्स में डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स को अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. आई कैन यूज़ दिस बुक आल्सो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बुक यू कैन यूज़ द चार्ट जिसमें बॉडी पार्ट्स को अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. इन दिस वे यू विल लेट योर किड टू एक्सप्लोर द वेरियस काइंड ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स. बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी हियर ये मंथ 2 का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, मंथ 2 का कॉन्सेप्ट पूरा प्योरली बॉडी पार्ट्स के ऊपर बेस है. यहाँ पे जितनी भी आपको रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस मिलेंगे माई बॉडी से रिलेटेड मिलेंगे. एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द थर्ड मंथ. थर्ड मंथ में आपको जो रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस मिलेंगे, थर्ड मंथ की थीम है नेचर डिटेक्टिव. सो हियर यू विल फाइंड द मटेरियल रिलेटेड टू द नेचर डिटेक्टिव. हियर एज आई कैन सी all the activities are related to the nature only, like about birds, flowers, forest, park, and there are bonus sessions as well. And these activities are basically focused on these things. You can also use the book here, like my first adventure. This book I have got from the Einstein box, and some auditory magic book like this about nature. Here you can teach your kid the sound of the nature. This one I got from the Prodigy classes. In Prodigy classes I have got the ways on how to use this book. So the basic thing is, let's not stick to only one thing. Like you have done only these activities with your kid and enjoy it together. So let's understand the concept here, and it will make your experience more beautiful with Flinto class at home. Flinto class is providing you one more thing, like here you can do the skill assessment after day 1 or day 2, and all the activities which you are performing you can take the assessment. Like I have taken the assessment for today, and there are some questions which you need to answer, and after answering all these questions you will find here a development report. Like this report will be generated on 21st of September. You will get the report after every 3 months. And here on the dashboard you can also see the shipment tracker, and you can track down the status of your shipments. Like they have sent me the 3 shipments all in one, and the next shipment I will get on this date and this date. They have provided all the details. So they are providing you everything that you need. Like here you can see Flinto Kids New. It will take you to the app of Flinto class. This app is also very interactive. Here you can share all the activities which you are doing with your kid on the daily basis, and you can also find the other parents. They are also sharing the same activities. So here you can share your views with the help of this Flinto class, you can engage your kid for good 1 hour or more. So I really found these classes very useful. And one more thing the Flinto class is providing, if you in case you miss any of the session, then you can see the session here in the recorded classes. Okay, otherwise you can stick to the rule of the 9 a.m. and you can attend the classes here in the classroom. So the concept is really very good and worth investing. Thank you.